Hello everyone. Welcome to follow Leerban Technology Machinery Company. Today I will introduce you to an automatic multifunctional bevel edge banding machine. Through our research and development, the size, stability and function of the equipment have been maximized. The machine size is length 4.6, width 1.25 meters, height 15 meters. This size greatly reduces the footprint to accommodate more factories. In terms of function, our machine can process three shapes: beveled straight edge, beveled edge, straight edge. The shape switching is achieved with one but, on operation, and one machine, can process multiple shapes. The control panel of the machine is divided into traditional mechanical switches and touch buttons, and users can choose according to their needs. We are currently looking for cooperation with machine traders all over the world. Welcome machine traders all over the world to discuss cooperation. Next, let's appreciate the details and working status of this machine together. At the same time, everyone is welcome to discuss and understand this machine together.